Ashley. I'm with Awesome Chevy Buick here in Chehalis. What we're sitting in right now, is a 2021 Buick Encore GX Select. A lot of customers absolutely love this vehicle, and one of my favorite features about it is the backup camera. I feel like I can't park my car nowadays without it. The way that you can access the backup camera is really simple. Once you get in your vehicle and you have the engine started, simply go into reverse. Once you do, you'll be shown all of these individual features. Each one of these are super helpful. The first one is you can see the back and front of your vehicle and toggle back and forth between each of those. The other one is the same thing, but at a slightly wider angle to give you more views and access to what's around you. Next one is a close-up, which you can also see of the front and back, called bird's eye view. So that will show you what is around you, so you know if you're getting too close to something. Next, you'll have this view. So this goes down each side of your vehicle. Shows you how close you're getting to something. I'll demonstrate by going back. And I can clearly see how close I am to this vehicle right here. The next feature, which I use the most, is this one, which shows you lines and shows you if you're getting too close to something. In this demonstration, you can see the lines, which will tell you how close you are to an object. As we're backing up and getting closer to the lines, the car, which wants me to be safe, is letting me know I'm getting a little bit too close. If I go a little bit farther, it will beep at me much more angrily. As you can see, we need to back up between these two vehicles. What I find most useful is this, which will show me everything around. The grid lines you see here indicate how far away an object is from the back of the vehicle. The farther away the object is to the farthest away orange lines means it's not anywhere close to me. However, as it comes closer and makes its way to the red zone, we are getting very close to that object. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe for more videos to come.